Ijebu Boys Association, one bond, one land, one soul, bound by friendship, driven by service, united for Ijebu's rise. From generation to generation, we build, we heal, we lead. We stand for brotherhood, we stand for care, for lives uplifted everywhere. From heart to hand, our service flows, for Ijebu land together we grow.
Ijebu Boys Association, ìdàgbàsókè dídé Akilẹ̀ Ìjẹ̀bú, Region Enugu.